After efforts to avoid a third national lockdown, Emmanuel Macron has seen his options narrow. With more than 5,000 people in intensive care and France's death toll approaching 100,000, the president says the country risks losing control. A situation which has pushed the government to close schools for the first time since the end of the first lockdown last year.
Nurseries, primary and secondary schools will close for 3 weeks. But we have to preserve education and learning. That's why the school calendar is being adapted, so our children aren't alone without access to learning.
From next week, pupils will have 1 week of remote learning and 2 weeks of spring holiday. Lockdown measures, which are already in place in several areas in France, including Paris, will be extended across the country from Saturday evening for at least a month. The nationwide 7 p.m. curfew still stands, though the lockdown is less strict than previous ones. People will only need to fill out forms if they are travelling further than 10 kilometres from their homes for certain authorised reasons. All non-essential shops will close and people are urged to work from home. Macron did, however, offer a glimpse of light at the end of the tunnel by rolling out a vaccine calendar which will see under 50s being vaccinated by mid-June.
Thanks to vaccines, we can finally envisage an end to the crisis. Our main aim today is accelerating.
The president also promised a timeline for a progressive reopening of restaurants, bars and cultural venues from mid-May, though a return to normal life still seems far out of reach, as the French brace themselves for a difficult few weeks.